This video will show you how to look up a noun using accordance. We're looking at Psalm 23. Notice verse 2, the second word after the preposition, naot. Use a right click, come down to Word Study, select Lexeme. Right click, Word Study, Lexeme. This will open up the Word Study window. Notice that we don't have offered to us the lexicon in the field that's right up here towards the top under word count and root. Here's how to expose, to access the lexicon, BDB, if it doesn't readily appear there. Scroll down in the Word Study window. You'll see lexicon images listed below. Pick the lexicon you want. This blue one is our BDB abridged. Left click on it. It will open a new page. And now we want to navigate the information that's given to us. Our word, navot, is not the first item on this page. We're given the shoresh nun vav he with the pronunciation noah, which means eminency. This is not our word. Our shoresh begins here in the middle. Notice that the first entry of the shoresh is a verb form. This is the customary pattern of a lexicon. If a shoresh produces a verb and also a noun from the same root, I think you'll find it generally will give you the verb first, and then the noun is considered a derivative of that. So, the piece of information here is just because you have found the shoresh that corresponds to our word, don't run with the first meaning. Don't tell yourself this is a verb. Instead, pay attention to the parsing. If you don't know that it already is a noun, pay attention to the parsing in the quick information window at the bottom of the page. Now that I have the cursor over the word naot on the far left, the word in blue, notice the bottom panel. That quick information window gives us the word that we find in the text, naot, and then we're told what sort of a word it is. It's a noun, not a verb. Gender is feminine, it's plural, it's construct. It gives us an initial, a superficial meaning of abode or pasture ground. We want to, in the lexicon, scroll down within the shoresh nun vav he until we find something corresponding to that. And here we see it as the second word spelled nun vav he. And now we are given a noun, NM, noun masculine, not verb. Now we're in the proper field and we can extrapolate a meaning from what's given to us here. So once again, the steps are right click on the word you're interested in, come down to Word Study, select Lexeme. If the lexicon does not appear as a link towards the top, then scroll down in the Word Study, click on Lexicon. It will open up your linked BDB, and then work through the information that you're provided until you find an entry corresponding to the sort of word, whether it's a verb or a noun, and then harvest the meanings that are offered for the appropriate word.